this, what a lovely spot. On the way metal detecting all this. Sweet. He's having fun over there. Look at him, just catching some rays. Loving the heat. You liking it? Eh? Is it good? Yeah? Ah, yuck. That thing in your nose. Look at it. Eh? Well guys, I went up the path all the way at the top of my usual bit here, and it's so overgrown. The farmer used to keep it nice and clean with his machines and his animals, but it's just about 3 feet high now, so no point there, so I'm going to try somewhere else. Oh, and it's so hot too. There we go, there's the wheels. I don't know if you saw it. As soon as I put the camera away, you come right out of the water. Fecker. There he goes. Well guys, this is as far as I'm going. I'm not walking any further. And how far I walked? A good 4 or 5 miles anyway. Got the old bothy house. We check around here. The grass is overgrown here, but I'll look around and see what I can find. Well guys, at least I got something. A 1940 303 cartridge. Look at the length of the grass. Nearly lost the dog. Look. I'm just running the coil straight along the tracks here, seeing what I can pick up on the way home. I've got miles of this to go, so I might as well. And I've had an iron bar and this, so that's not too bad. At least I got something. He's got a cheek to be out in the daylight. So late o'clock at night, he's telling me it's time for bed. This is just how I'm doing it. See if I find something. You never know. He's quite happy though, aren't you? Eh? You're quite happy with this, aren't you? Eh? Yeah. Right guys, here's just a roundup from yesterday. Give you a quick look around here. We've got the usual big lump of chain, I've got about 20 feet of this stuff now, all different sizes. Usual bits of tin, scrap, piece from a toy car, beer bottle lid, a rivety nail thing. What a signal I got from that, was a very good signal. And an old paper cartridge, 12 gauge, and it obviously at some point had a brass or copper cover on it. Little pieces of that stuck to the cartridge. You can see it was raggedy round the edge. Been interesting. Yeah, an old washer and a modern penny. My best find is a threepenny bit. King George V. Never found a threepenny bit before, so I'm quite happy with that. 1941. What I do with them, they're an awful light colour when they come out of the ground, so I soak them for a couple of hours in WD-40, and it helps get some of the grit off. It lifts all the heavy encrustment off it just in a couple of hours, so you can read what's on it. And the old bottle lid, I found that with some glass and nearly got it in the finger. Never mind. A little copper thing, I don't know what it is. It's got an S or a 3 on the top of it, but no idea what it's from. Had a job finding that as well. And a walking stick badge from Lewin, Cornwall. Hope they didn't walk all the way. The usual 303s, and this, which is an interesting find. Maybe not to all people, but it is to me. This is a US 308 cartridge. It was used by the British Army, and that was a conversion from the Lee Enfield 303, rechambered in 308 by Holland and Holland. And the cartridge here was made, and I think I'm right with the L on it, it was made in Massachusetts in the US. And that rifle it was for was it L42, and it was used extensively all through Burma, all the way through right up until the Falklands War by the British Army. But by then they'd rechambered it in 7.62. So to find something like this for, you know, World War II and in the UK itself especially is pretty rare. So it was obviously somebody training before they went somewhere, and that's quite a good one. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope they get a bit more stuff next time, but that's all there is. Right, cheers.